Introduction to Time Blocking with Google Calendar.
Time blocking is a powerful method for organizing your study sessions. It involves setting specific chunks of time for tasks, making your schedule more focused and productive. Using Google Calendar can help you visually plan and manage your learning and revision, ensuring you dedicate the right amount of time to each subject and avoid last-minute cramming.
Setting up your study blocks.
To begin, open Google Calendar and click on a time slot to create a new event. Title your event with the subject or topic you want to study. Choose the start and end times for your session, ideally between 30 and 90 minutes. Consistency is key, so try to block similar times each day to establish a study routine.
Customizing events for focus.
For effective study blocks, add details to your Google Calendar event, such as specific goals or materials needed. Color code study subjects to quickly distinguish them at a glance. Set reminders or notifications to help you transition into study mode and stay on track. This makes each session clear and purposeful.
Incorporating breaks and review sessions.
Don't forget to include short breaks between study sessions. Usually 5 to 15 minutes helps you recharge. Schedule regular review blocks to revisit and consolidate material from earlier sessions. Use Google Calendar's recurring event feature to automatically add these important intervals into your routine.
Tracking progress and making adjustments.
At the end of each week, review your calendar to see how well you followed your plan. Adjust your time blocks based on what worked and what didn't. If you find some subjects need more time or certain periods are more productive, refine your schedule in Google Calendar for even better results.
Final tips for success.
Stay flexible. Life happens and plans may need to change. Use Google Calendar's drag and drop feature to move study sessions as needed. Remember to celebrate completed blocks, track your progress, and enjoy the satisfaction of an organized and productive study schedule. Time blocking is a skill that gets easier and more rewarding with practice.